You might have seen these crazy animal skeleton videos blowing up on YouTube lately. They look super cool, a bit educational, and honestly, kind of addictive to watch. I found one channel that posted only 15 of these videos and gained over 53,000 subscribers in just 17 days. That is insane growth. The best part is that you can make these yourself for free using AI, and you don't need any crazy tech skills. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to do this from scratch. First, you need to get the look of the animal right. Head over to ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPTs section. Search for a tool called X-ray Animal Reference. Once you open it, just type in the animal you want to feature. Let's say we're making a video about a dog. The AI will give you 4 different prompts. These are specifically designed to help you create reference images from different angles, like the front and the side. Now, copy that first prompt and head over to Whisk AI. Go to the section where you can generate images. Paste your prompt there and hit generate. In a few seconds, you'll get a high-quality image of a dog's skeleton on a green screen. You want to repeat this for all the prompts the GPT gave you, so you have a front view and a side view. Download all of them. These are your master images that you can use over and over again to keep your animal looking the same in every scene. Next, we need to put that skeleton into a real story with a background. Go back to ChatGPT and search for another GPT called Animal X-ray Shots. This is where the storytelling happens. Type in your idea. For example, tell it you want a video about a dog eating a burger. The AI will break this down into multiple scenes with details about the background and what the dog is doing. Take those new scene prompts back to Whisk AI. This time, use the feature where you can upload an image. Upload one of those green screen skeleton dogs you made earlier. Then, paste the scene prompt from ChatGPT into the box. This tells the AI to take your specific skeleton dog and put it into the new scene. Do this for every scene in your story until you have a full set of images. Now it's time to bring these images to life. Use the image to video feature in Grok AI. Upload your first scene and type a simple instruction for the movement. For the burger story, you could say something like, "The dog leans in and sniffs the burger." For the next scene, say, "The dog eats the burger quickly." As the story goes on, you'll want to describe the dog getting bigger or looking more tired. Just keep downloading these clips as they finish. Once your clips are ready, you need a voiceover to tell the story. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short, punchy script for a 5-scene video. Tell it the video is about what happens if a dog only eats burgers for 5 months. It should cover the first month being fun, the second month getting aggressive, the third month getting fat, and so on, ending with a dramatic boom at the end. Take that script to any free text-to-speech site, pick a voice that sounds cool or serious, and download the audio file. The final step is putting it all together. Open any video editor on your phone or computer and set the screen size to 9:16, which is the standard size for shorts or TikToks. Bring in all your video clips and line them up with the voiceover. Make sure the month 1 audio matches the month 1 video. Trim the ends so everything flows smoothly. And make sure to mute any weird background noise from the AI clips so your voiceover is the star. And that's it. You've just made a professional, viral-style animal skeleton video. These videos stand out because they look different from everything else on the feed.
What happens if your dog eats only burgers? Month 1, it feels harmless. He loves it. Month 2, it becomes an obsession. He can't stop. Month 3, the weight shows. He slows down. Month 4, he's heavy, uncomfortable, weak. Month 5, his body can't handle it anymore. One choice can destroy everything.